Hello, my name is Tom Van Coverden. I was a patient recently of Dr. Hashemi and the team at Inova Fair Oaks Hospital. The problem I had was first diagnosed in my left foot when I had gone to my podiatrist. He noticed the discoloration in several of my toes and said it needed further look-see by a professional in vascular surgery, that the problem was beyond what he was used to dealing with, but he thought there were circulatory problems. And I needed the opinion of a real professional in terms of what the next steps needed to be. And so he referred me immediately to Dr. Hashemi, who saw me really that afternoon and made a diagnosis that it needed further examination, that in fact I had had significant blood circulation problems in the lower part of my body, having done several checks for blood pressure and the pulse in my foot. The point that impressed me was, one, the look, his look. It was a very direct look into my eye. My wife was with me, and I must say from the get-go, I had a real feeling of confidence that this man knew what he was doing. Later on, when I checked the credentials, both he and his partner, as it turned out, are really among the very best in Northern Virginia. But I know how I, as a patient, felt when all of the questions I had were answered. He was being very direct with each piece of information. First, he checked all of my pulse signs in their various parts of my body, followed up by Doppler testing to make sure that the condition was what he thought it was. And that was the first step and course that he took. And explained to me that before considering any surgery, he would do several additional tests to make sure we knew exactly what it was we were dealing with, the severity of it, and whatever it was, we would take care, and he would take care of the appropriate course of action. The point is, he wanted the least invasive procedure starting, and if it came to the worst case scenario, then we'd see that through as well. But I had confidence. And I have to say that the entire team of nurses at the hospital, at Fair Oaks, and Dr. Hashemi's team, the coordination of care was superb. All of the information was very accurate. Any question, any information I wanted was given to me, and all of that gave me a huge sense of success, and as a patient, a sense of comfort. And the recovery was very smooth. So here I stand, better than 8 weeks afterwards, feeling very little pain with what I consider a very, very successful surgery. And I've told everybody I can about it. I just say that because if I'm talking to other patients, I'd like to know about a patient experience. And again, the quality of care, the coordination of care could not have been better. And I am so grateful to everybody for that.